today's video, I'm going to be talking about Mishimoto and their intake and why I think you should buy this over Mountoon and ETS. Unless you want carbon fiber, then I recommend Cobb. So this is going to fit a Ford Focus RS 2016 through the 2018s. So if you are looking at one of these and you do have an RS, this will fit perfectly, and it is super easy to install and it sounds amazing. If you're just trying to figure out how to install it, you've already bought it, you want to install it, you can jump to this part. I'm not doing the uninstall of the stock, I'm just doing the install of this. So it's pretty easy. Take you less than 10 minutes. If you just want to hear the sound, go ahead and jump towards this part right here, somewhere around here. I'll post a number. So let's go ahead and get started with the review. So this is a 3-inch pipe. It's an aluminum made. It's one solid piece, which I love about that. It's got 2 hookups, so you'll ground it to 2 different areas. Then you have your, I believe it's called an oxygen sensor. Not really sure what it's called. You'll plug it in right there. Then you'll basically take your hose, some vacuum hoses, stick them right here, just so it'll hold it. Then I believe it's a return valve. You'll hook that up right here. Like I said, it's super easy to install. The hardest part is just trying to get the little tube onto the turbo. Just because you got to reach down there, you can't see anything. That's the hardest part. So this 3-inch tube comes in 3 different colors: blue, chrome, and black. Like as you can see, I went ahead and painted it black, like a different black. Then I went ahead and did the teal, so it looks really great. It matches. It's just the same color teal as the brakes. So I plan on doing a bunch of other things in teal. I might do the battery box cover. I might do a bunch of other stuff in teal. The reason I recommend this one over Mountoon and ETS, Mountoon is 2 pieces, as you can see in this picture, and that's $500. If you look at ETS in this picture, that's 3 different pieces, and I've seen as low as $350, so that's not bad. This is $414 at the moment. I believe it's on sale. If you are trying to get a discount, when you go on their website, it literally says give us your email or give us your phone number and we'll give you a 10% discount. You can do that, or you can try, I think it's a 20% discount if you get sponsored. I went ahead and got sponsored from them just so I could get a 20% discount, and I can constantly get discounts if they do develop more stuff for the car, and I can just keep getting discounts. I'm not sure if they have a referral code that gives you a discount or gives me, if there is a referral code, I'll put it in the description. It helps both of us. Like I said, I'm not sure what the referral code does, if there even is a referral code. I would have to go look into the little sponsorship agreement or whatever it is. So, it's a super easy install. It sounds great. But if you want carbon fiber, I recommend Cobb. Cobb, I believe, is the only one that makes this out of carbon fiber. I am trying to get into carbon fiber, so maybe in the future I'll be able to make some of these intakes cheaper than Cobb out of carbon fiber. A airbox as well, but I do not have the airbox installed just because I have had oil leaks that I have been able to see only because I do not have the airbox on. So my shift tower is actually leaking like crazy right now. I'm trying to get it into the Ford dealership, and luckily Ford has no problem taking this little piece off. Probably because it's super easy and it's only 4 bolts. Mountoon, I don't know how many bolts or how easy or how difficult it is. ETS, I'd be a little bit annoyed just because it's 3 different pieces if I had to take it off. But this, it's super easy to take off. I literally took it off in 5 minutes to make the video. Yeah, that's basically going to be the review. Like I said, I recommend this one. If I do have a referral code, if that is a thing with Mishimoto, I will have it in the description so you can click on that, hopefully save a few bucks. If not, go ask for a sponsorship. If they don't give you a sponsorship, go on their website, and I think you get 10% off instantly just by giving you their phone number. Let's go ahead and install this thing. So the first thing you're going to do when you're installing this is actually install this on the turbo first. Make sure it's nice and tight, because when I actually got the car and the stock one was on, it was actually really loose, probably from when they changed out the head gasket. Next, you're going to want to install this piece right here. I use like pliers to just force it on really tight. Then you're just going to put the next screw in right there. That's basically going to be it. This other piece is actually going to go right here. That's just going to screw on. but I would recommend getting the intake situated first before you go ahead and do this, so you can just screw that on. So hopefully this isn't too dark. I am trying to get it as much light as I can and try to show you everything as much as I can. I just don't really have a mount to mount the GoPro so I can get the best looks. So you can either do it with the filter on or the filter off. First, you're just going to switch this backwards. So you're going to make sure this is pointing backwards right here, because that's going to plug into this right here. So, super easy. That just clips on. That's the recirculating valve. I'm pretty sure that's the recirculating valve, because there's no other valve. So I'm pretty sure that when you put your finger in it, there's just a tiny bit of oil, which means I am getting a little bit of blow-by. And I do want to get a oil catch can in the future. It's just installing an oil catch can on this versus the Veloster is a million times more difficult. Mostly because I have to take this whole piece off right here. So first thing you're going to do is just shove it in there. Actually, first you want to make sure this is on. Try not to drop this back there because it won't fall farther than this because it's already hooked up to the turbo. That's going to be your first step. It's just hooking that up to the turbo. So go ahead and put that on. I'm going to try not to drop it back there just because the turbo is really hot right now, just because I just got home from getting food. You want to get it on as far as you can. You want to make sure that's right there. So next part is you're going to hook this piece up right here. It's just going to go in the back. You're just going to push it on. Actually, what was that? And put that right there. Push it in. Oh God. It's every time I make a video and I'm screwing something in, I drop it. Next part's fairly simple. You're going to take this piece right here. I always keep it loose on the bottom. Doesn't really matter. You're going to move it into place. You're going to take this. You're just going to push it in there. Twist it. And you're good. Just tighten that up. That's basically the install. I hope that helps. Actually, these go here. So that's just going to go here, and that's just going to go here. These are just some little vacuum lines. No big deal. And that's just going to go right there. I'll push that in after. Just because I need both hands. So guys, I hope you actually enjoyed me installing this, even though I'm struggling a lot down here, mostly because I keep dropping stuff. The next part is going to be the sound, so I hope you guys enjoy the sound. Hopefully this actually helped you decide which one you want. That's basically going to be it for this video. If you can, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about that intake. Would you buy it, or would you have a custom one made, or would you go with another company? And I will see you guys in the next one.